Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. So we are holding the 34.35 cents for TFUEL, an amazing bottom support level. If we go down from there, then you know the things will get more bearish, but for now we are still holding. So what is happening with TFUEL right now? Before we begin, join our monthly subscription, guys. Link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee/Mind Your Crypto. You will get tons of benefits, including automated signal buying opportunities, personal guidance, educational videos you can cancel anytime you like, and of course only 50 people can join in because I don't have time for more. Join in right now and also join our Telegram group chat. Link is in the description down below as well. We are a beautiful community that helps each other every day. And hit the like button and the subscribe if you want. So let's go now to the technical analysis right here, guys. We go to the 35 cents as you can see here, and we stand above the 35. Even though we went down, we just close always above the 35 cents. We are in the 4-hour frame on the trading view, as you can see right here, and I have drawn my Fibonacci retracement level from the bottom to the top in order to find major support levels as we correct, and this is our 0.618. This line right here is the 0.618. We have some resistance levels going on at the 38.6, 38.3 cents around there, and the 41 cents. So eventually, guys, what we need for the MACD in the 4-hour frame is to keep getting higher. We need the blue line to go above the signal line right here, and of course retest and cross above the resistance line that you see with the red line. So we need to make higher highs and higher lows. And what's higher high and higher low pattern? It is this exactly, guys: a higher low and of course a higher high pattern for TFUEL in the USDT chart, right? So we need to go above the red line right here. And of course, to perform some higher low pattern, we need to still see the blue line going above our MACD line, going above the signal line, as you can see right there. Okay, so let's go now to the risk metrics, and you can see neither of the risk metrics are in an overbought situation right here. The RSI is between 30 and 70, although we are seeing some lower high pattern following on right here, as you can see, and now a higher low. We want to see if we can break above or we go down. It would be best to break above and especially go above this resistance level right here, but we will see about that afterwards, right? On the commodity channel index now is between -100 and 100. It was in an oversold situation, now it is not. So the stochastic RSI is near an overbought situation, but it is inside 20 and 80. You know, the stochastic RSI and the commodity channel index are more sensitive to the price action. This means, guys, either they go quicker down, quicker upwards, but the RSI is more stable, and you will realize what I mean afterwards, right? The 20-day MA now is below the 50-day MA. We need a bullish cross to see the potential moving towards the upwards, but of course, because the moving averages are lagging a little bit, first comes the price action, then the bullish cross, right? But getting a bullish cross will be very, very good, and the further distance between those two lines. So let's go to the daily frame. You can see the RSI on the daily frame is still going down, right? Even though all of the other risk metrics, the commodity channel index was in an oversold situation, the stochastic RSI is still in an oversold situation, but the RSI is not. So that's why we can correct more, guys, because if RSI was around here below 30 or near the 30, then we would see TFUEL going upwards, but we can correct more due to the RSI being more stable, and of course you can see that we can't go down more. So eventually for the Bollinger Bands, as you can see, guys, sometimes when we approach the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands, we usually have a swing high right here. Like here, for example, of course, you can see that here as well, and a little bit here as well. So this is what happens in a normal market. When we approach the bottom line, we usually have a swing high. When we approach the top line, we usually have a swing low. However, this doesn't happen on an impulsive wave, and on a very bearish market. These are the only exceptions. Let's see a little bit the SSL hybrid in case we have something. I will remove the drawings, and we don't have anything yet, not a blue arrow, not a buying opportunity. And of course, if we don't have a buying opportunity, we don't have a selling order, right? So definitely we don't have anything to talk about the SSL hybrid right now. MACD looks bad. You can see that we are going all the way down. Maybe it wants to get more horizontal and maybe we do something like this, but we have some time till we decide what to do according to this indicator. So let's go to the reason that we are just consolidating all the way TFUEL Bitcoin chart. You can see that TFUEL can't outperform Bitcoin. It went all the way down. So eventually with a small movement of Bitcoin, it just crashed more, right? And when Bitcoin was going upwards, TFUEL was just standing still. It couldn't go, it couldn't have a significant swing high. And therefore you can see that the 20-day MA has become now a major resistance level, the yellow line, and now we tend to go more horizontal a little bit. This is good, but we actually want something more, and of course we need a pump up right now because the commodity channel index is near an oversold situation. And look at this, guys. We are still near the oversold situation all the time from 23rd June, right? You can see on 21st June we had this correction right here, and then we just go near the bottom line. We can't keep going like this forever. Sometime in the next days we will go into an overbought situation, but we are hoping that we won't lose the 35 cents as support level. Same here for the RSI. You can see that we are flirting around 30, and of course we can't keep going like this forever. We just want to see a significant swing high. For TFUEL Bitcoin chart, the MACD is indecisive as well. The blue line is going alongside the signal line and they are both going horizontal. This is something that it is indecisive. Okay, and you can see that even though the 20-day, the MACD blue line is above the signal line, we don't have the distance needed to say we are bullish. Okay, so let's go to the daily frame. On the daily frame, we don't want to see the bearish cross between the 20-day MA and the 50-day MA. This will be catastrophic, guys. But of course, right now you can see the descending wedge that we follow. And on the RSI, we are not yet into an oversold situation. On the daily commodity channel index, we go now between minus 100 and 100. We are near the bottom right here for the commodity channel index. And now you can see that the MACD is going down all the way. The stochastic RSI is in an oversold situation for quite some time right now. And of course, you can see that we are correcting so much TFUEL Bitcoin chart, right? And the reason we don't go upwards is the TFUEL Bitcoin chart. We can't outperform Bitcoin, therefore we just stay at the 35 cents. The good news, guys, is that we don't lose the support level. We just stay above, and we are happy that we close all the time above. We went even down to 33.8, but then we immediately had a huge buying pressure and we stay above this support level. You can see how important this is, right? And you can see that we want just to test now, to have a double bottom, to test and go upwards. That's what we need to see right now, and to retest the 38.3, 38.6. In case Bitcoin has a crash here, if we go down from the triangle and we just go down, then this will mean TFUEL will probably lose the 35 cents. The only thing that can save us then is maybe if TFUEL Bitcoin chart wakes up and of course we go upwards, right? If we do that, then it will be all fine. If we don't, then we will lose the 34 to 35 cents around there, guys, and we will eventually go down even more for TFUEL. So you have to be careful. If you want for the long term, you can invest right here, not all of your money, of course, and this is not a financial advice, guys. But what I would do is to invest around there. Okay, so definitely this is a good buying opportunity for the long term. For the short term, you have to be careful. I always want to be honest with you guys. I don't want to be the classical moon boy, but we have to be careful for now in order to see maybe if we can break these two resistance lines. If we can and make them as support level, then yes, we can go to 41 cents. And you can take a nice little profit of around 7%, or maybe if you want to see if we can make this one right here, then 8% is enough. And of course, guys, if we just make afterwards the 41 cents as a support level, then yes, we can go potentially to 47, but I would need another Fibonacci retracement drawing right here. I would just say that I would draw my Fibonacci starting from here, ending up to here right now, and you can see that the 41 cents around there is a very significant resistance level for now. So definitely guys, yes, we are going we might go to 41 cents, but first we have to make some improvements. We have to go upwards above the 50-day EMA. First of all, you can see that the 50-day EMA has become our resistance level for quite some time right now. We need to move above this obstacle. We need to go and make the 38.6 cents as a support level and then eventually go to 41. The good part here is that on the TFUEL Bitcoin chart, especially on the daily frame, commodity channel index was in an oversold situation. RSI tends to go into an oversold situation, so we are happy that we might soon see a breakout, and we need to see that, guys. If we don't see that, then TFUEL might even lose the support level. For now, we are holding so strong. You can see, guys, that how many times we retested the 34.9 and we can't go downwards. It seems like we don't want to go down from 34.9 cents, right? And therefore, what you need to do right now for me is, if you've bought at the top, wait a little bit, guys, and of course don't sell your coins, just rebuy around this area. And if you want to wait a little bit now till we decide if we go down or upwards, that will be fine by me. But of course, right now you need to wait a little bit about the Bitcoin's movement price action as well, right? Because we depend a lot on Bitcoin right now, and we need to see whether Bitcoin will go down from this triangle or upwards. What we will do eventually, can we go and retest the 35,600 and maybe go above? This will be very good, and this will mean that maybe TFUEL can go to 38.6 cents. Again, thank you for watching. Join our monthly subscription and our Telegram group chat. Also hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon and stay positive. Bye.